ngokuzitshela kwami. Decision bese ngithathile ukuthi ngihamba kaMseleku, and my heart was at peace ukuthi ngiyamshiya. My mom, my sister and my best friend uBuhle, they sat me down bakhuluma nami. Okwesibili kube nabantu engibone bejobelela eindabeni ebiphakathi kwami noMseleku, especially ngingabona abasekhaya kaMseleku.
That's all.
I wanted to prove them wrong. Okwesithathu ukugula kwakhe. Ngirealizile ukuthi ukumshiya kwami uzothi ngimshiye at his weakest. Kule family njoba ngihleli, I know ukuthi kukhona abantu abangajabulile abebezimisele ngokungibona ngingekho. But here I am. Together my love is.
uMangwabe uyangithanda.
uMangwabe noMusa bayathandana bona. You can see ukuthi ispark ngathi sesibuyile. But then guys, on her diary she mentioned that she wanted to leave uMusa and begas enjoyela season 8 and she was ready to just leave. But then she talked to umama yakhe ne best friend yakhe and also her sisters, bam-advise ukuthi please don't leave uMusa, ninabantwana and ukushadile lo muntu, so ama-relationship ahamba kanjalo. And then she mentioned that khona abantu ebebathi akahambe, abangasamfuni laphayana bathi akahambe, and those people were ifamily kaMacele. It was that time when uMusa bought i-sheep and then abacela ukuthi yena ufuna ukuthatha umfazi wokusi-5. And then the uncle wakhuluma ukuthi ofuna ukuhamba akahambe, wife number 5 bamfuna khona lapha ejardini. And uMangwabe wakhetha ama-strays and she said she's not going to leave her marriage just because abantu abangasiwa kwaMseleku bathe abahambe. I think ifamily kaMacele izomosha i-relationship kaMusa nabafazi bakhe. And also it can bring back abafazi to uMusa bavele bamthande more. Just ukuthi balaye ifamily kaMacele noMacele. Because that's what uMangwabe is currently saying, ukuthi I wanted to leave but then ngive abantu sebajabulile ukuthi I'm going and I had to stay. And besides that, we all know ukuthi uMangwabe uyamthanda uMusa, just nje bekamthuselela ukuthi uzohamba. I think bekangafuni ukuthi uMusa amthathe uwife number 5, and then since babathengele izindlu ukuthi bahlale kude na each other, they won't meet number 5 anyway. Angeke bahlangane naye anyway. Bazombona kodwa e-TV but ukuthi bahlangane angeke bahlangane. So maybe that made a relationship yakhe even much better. And you can see ukuthi mabakhuluma about each other bayasmile. It's all smiles. So hey, asas guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.